Hello, Synchronicity family. A very happy new year to one and all. Wish you and your family a very happy, prosperous, and abundant new year 2022. Welcome you all to the new year. Happy New Year once again. So, I am back again with another pick a card reading in this new year. Okay, so we have two piles here. The topic of the reading is what are their current feelings. So you have a specific someone in your life and you want to know how they are feeling towards you and this connection, whatever the connection you have with them. So this can be your boyfriend, girlfriend, lover, husband, wife, crush. It can be anybody. So you want to know what are their current feelings towards you and this connection. So this is the reading, and this is the topic of the reading. We have two piles here. Pile number 1, ACEGIKMOQSUWY. Okay, that means, so if your name is starting with any one of these letters, then this reading is for you. Okay, so you can choose the pile number 1. If your name starts with B, D, F, H, J, L, N, P, R, T, V, X, Z. If your name starts with any of these letters, then this reading is for you. So you can choose accordingly as per your name, starting letter of your name or initial of your name. Okay, so let us start the reading with pile number 1. Whoever chose this pile number 1, this reading is for you. Let us see what are their current feelings towards you and this connection. So let us pull some cards for you. Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. So one card flipped already. Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. What are their current thoughts and feelings towards my pile 1 people? What are their current feelings and thoughts towards my pile 1 people? Please give us some guidance and clarity. Ace of Pentacles, Ace of Swords, King of Wands, the Fool, Eight of Wands, and Death. Okay, so let us pull some more cards for you. We will see what are their current feelings. What are their current feelings about my pile 1 people? What are their current feelings towards my pile 1 people? Two of Moons, Six of Moons, the Fool again, the Empress, Pope, Ten of Pentacles. So the signs I can see here is Scorpio is very prominent here. Scorpio, then I can see Aries, I can see all the fixed signs like Taurus, Leo, Scorpio and Aquarius. I can see very few of you might be having the Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Some of you will be having Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Please take it however it resonates, because it is general reading, so you may or may not, it may or may not resonate with everybody. Please take whatever messages resonates with you and leave the rest. Okay, so what I can see is you are asking about a person that might be your wife or a husband, or you have you had a very long connection with this person. Okay, so for some reason you both are not talking because Death card is there. That means this connection is already ended. So might be, it can be like a divorce, because strongly I can see the divorce message here. So for some of you this connection is ended abruptly for because of a fight or a family conflict, or some issue with the finances. Okay, like money from the family, that also can be a reason for this dispute. Maybe some of you have blocked also this person. Maybe you blocked them or they blocked you. So this is kind of an ending, like some ending happened in this relationship. You both are thinking that this connection is dead, there is no future for this connection. And also I can see two children here in this connection. Then I can see it is mostly a family matter. Some death has happened in your family or their family when you both got separated, or you are the cause of the that person's death or something like that. I'm getting so many different messages in this file. So basically you both are not talking to each other. Okay, so what this person is thinking right now, so they are thinking that you are their wife material or a husband material. Then they might be missing their children. Maybe you both had a child also. I can see two children also, or one child. So maybe you are the mother of their children. So they are thinking that you are such a responsible person, responsible mother, I can say. If you are not married and you don't have a children, but they can see a mother in you. That means you are you resemble like their mother actually. So the way you take care of them, or the way you nurture, so they are missing you very badly, that is for sure. And they have, you both have some financial dealings with each other. Maybe this is kind of a settlement money, or monthly uh, finances, transfers, all money related, I can see. So this person is doing everything promptly, and also they want to offer you a gift because Ace of Pentacles is there. Or they want to start something with you new. They want to make you as a partner in their business, or they want to start something new with you. And you both are soulmates, that's what this person feels. And your connection is divinely guided connection, and you are made for each other. So these are all your person's feelings, and they are not able to forget you. So that is the reason they are constantly thinking about you. For some people this person is not feeling well also. Maybe they are not able to move, or they are hospitalized, and they are definitely missing you. They are thinking about you continuously. And they want to end this separation, they want to end this no communication, they want to break this, they want to start a new beginning with all with clarity actually. So they want to clear everything, they want to come into their power. They, because without you they are not in any power, they feel powerless actually. So when you are there next to them, they feel that they are like a king, and they have everything in their life, like that you made them feel. So that is the reason this person want to take a leap of faith. The Fool card is there, so definitely they want to trust the universe, and they want to take a leap of faith. They want to come towards you. They don't know what will happen. Okay, so they don't know what will be the future, but still they want to take a leap of faith. They want to take a risk in this connection. They want to come to you, they want to contact you, because they feel that you are their sunshine. So whatever is there, they are coming from far also. What, that's what I can see. Maybe this is for some of you this can be a long distance relationship, or for some of you this can be like a emotional distance. But this person is coming from far, and they are coming with a gift, coming with flowers, or coming with some kind of gold jewelry. They are coming towards you with some gift definitely. So first of all they will try to contact you. Maybe they'll message you, they'll call you, because Eight of Wands is a communication card. Definitely they will communicate to you first, then they'll come towards you, because they have decided in their mind that they have to take a risk in this connection. They want to come towards you. That is the reason they will contact you. So this Six of Cups also, like they are your childhood friend, or you know them for many years, or as I told you, might be like wife and husband already, and you are asking about your spouse, or maybe your classmate, college mate, schoolmate, or neighbor. So you know this person from many years. Okay, that is that this connection is very strong. You know that other person very closely, and they know you very well. So this connection is kind of like family members. You are their family, or they are your family. So Six of Cups is like they definitely they want to propose you, they want to offer you something. So this gift is coming in these cards again and again. So definitely they want to gift you something. or they want to offer you a stable connection, and they are passionate, they are attracted towards you, they feel that you are abundant, you have everything in your life, and you deserve a better life. That's what they feel. So they might come from now to 3 months. Okay, definitely this person might come into your life from now to 3 months whenever you are watching this reading. So this is a timeless reading, so whenever you watch it will resonate with you. So this person will come towards you within 3 months. And not only coming, they are coming with a very stable intention, they want to marry you. Or for some of you, this person is kind of a divorced person. That's what I can feel. Aquarius person, I can feel this person is a divorced person, and they want to have a family with you. They want to make you as their wife or a husband. They want to make they feel that you are their mother or father of the children. They want to have a legacy with you. So this is money related, and a lot of emotions are there in this person. So they are not coming towards you simply, they are coming with a stubborn decision. They will take a leap of faith, and this time maybe this was kind of a in and out. Earlier they used to come and go, but this time they will come and it will be stable. They will stay in your life forever. So that is what they are coming with, the stable intentions. Now they realize the mistakes that they have done in the past, and also they are feeling that without you there is no life for them. So with that realization, definitely they are taking a risk, even though they are not sure whether you will accept them or not, but still they want to try. And maybe they will ask you for your forgiveness also. So definitely they are coming with a good intention. So let us pull one card of summation, what universe want to say. Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. One card for this connection. Give us one card for this connection. One card for this connection. One card of summation. Please give us some guidance and clarity. Okay, the High Priestess. Definitely they see you as very intuitive person. They and you are like you never support any evil or devil things, and negativity in another person. You will be very blunt, and you will be very straightforward, and you are highly spiritual, then also intuitive. So when you come into this power, then nobody can beat you. So that much confident, and that much powers you are having. See, you can see the third eye of this High Priestess. So that means you are awakened, you are matured, then you are spiritually very strong person. That's what they feel. And also this connection is very divine, divinely guided connection, and it is fated that you both to be together. Or for some of you, maybe one old lady or mother figure will help in this connection. Okay, they will cut all the negativity in your relationship, and that lady, okay, the female, will make both of you united. Okay, she will help you to be together. Okay, so your no communication phase will end because of one female, maybe your mother, sister, anybody who is a mother figure. Okay, so that's all I have for you. Let us pull some messages from this person. Let us pull some messages from this person. Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. Let us see. We are soulmates. So that's what I told. This person thinks that you both are soulmates. I'm so sorry I took you for granted. I didn't understand my feelings in the past. So in the past they ignored you maybe. Soon I will contact. There is so much I want to tell you. I am on my way. Okay, definitely 8 of Wands also says the same thing. This person will come. Okay, they are on the way. Some people don't want to see us together. So maybe this is some fight in the family. So they don't want to see you together. You are the true love in my life. New beginning is coming ahead for us. Okay, so you are the true love. Let's start all over again. You are my biggest wish. Okay, so you can understand the feelings of the other person. Definitely they want to have you in their life, and you are their biggest wish. Okay, so be ready to welcome this person. Okay, that's all I have for you. Happy New Year once again. If If your name starts with any of these letters, then this reading is for you. So if your name is starting with B, D, F, H, J, L, N, P, R, T, V, X, Z, then this reading is for you. So let us start the reading. Let us see what are their current feelings towards you and this connection. What are their current feelings and energies towards my pile 2 people? Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. What are their current feelings towards my pile 2 people? What are they thinking and feeling towards my pile 2 people? Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. 4 of Swords, 2 of Swords, 8 of Swords, Ace of Wands, 9 of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck we have Queen of Pentacles. So let me pull some more cards. What are their current feelings and energies towards my pile 2 people? How they feel about pile 2 people? How your person feels about you right now? So we have 2 cards here, the Emperor and the Completed World. 5 of Wands, the Hierophant, Astrologer. Bottom of the deck we have Ace of Cups. Okay, so let me tell you the signs first. The signs I can see here are Aries is very prominent here. I can see Taurus is very prominent. Aries and Taurus I can see, and I can see Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Very few of you will have this Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or the fixed signs. I can see Taurus, Leo, Scorpio, and Aquarius. Okay, so what I can see here is this person sees you as a family person. They have accepted you as a family, or already you both married together, because I can see Queen of Pentacles. Queen of Pentacles is definitely says that maybe you or the other person are single parents. You are handling the finances alone, and you are very abundant. You are very capable person. You are handling your life very capably, finances capably, and also you are taking care of the children also. So that is what I can see. So this person is in 4 of Swords energy. That means even though they want to do anything also, they are unable to do. They are stuck. Even they cannot move. There are a lot of threats and lot of problems in this connection. So that is the reason they are unable to move. Okay, so but they are trying to manifest you back, and they are praying God or universe or anybody, the higher power. So they are praying them to be with you, or to clear the miscommunication with you, between you, or misunderstanding between you. For that reason they are praying God. And also you both are in blockage, like you blocked them or they blocked you. So that is the reason you both are not able to move forward. And I can also see there is a lot of stubborn energy, like you both have some ego clashes, self confidence issues, like you feel that whatever I say it should be done, or the other person feels the same, like they want in their own way. So that is the reason there is a lot of pride coming in this relationship. So that is the reason you both are not able to move, and this person is having some confusion in their life right now. They have 2 people in their life, so they don't know whom to choose. Maybe one is you and the other person is someone else. So this person wants to choose now, because they are confused. They have 2 swords in their hands, but definitely they are unable to choose one, because they are blindfolded. So what I can see is this person is completely operating with their head, not with their heart. Okay, so you are also very stubborn. You also have this kind of pride issues, like you don't want to bend, or the other person doesn't want to bend or come forward. So you both are kind of stuck situation. Okay, so this person is tied to the rods, they can't come towards you. They made a boundary around you so that you can't reach them or anybody else can't reach them. So they made their self boundary, so they kept some limits. So they have this kind of a defensive energy, so they don't want to accept if they have done any mistake. They feel that it is not my mistake, or they don't want to accept it. So that is the reason they are blindfolded purposely. They don't want to say anything. But they are highly attracted towards you. They are attracted towards your beauty. Maybe you are very good looking, or maybe your heart is very pure. You are innocent. The way you talk, the way you handle your life, or the way you deal with other people or with children. So they can see you some very nurturing person, very responsible person, caring person. So that is the reason this person is getting attracted towards you. Definitely they see you as a wife material, and they also feel that you are their wish fulfillment. Whatever they want in their life, that everything is there in you. So that is the reason they are patiently waiting. They don't have anybody in their life right now, but they have to choose one. So that is what I can feel here. So definitely they want to have a very passionate new beginning, or they want to start a new connection, new life with you. They want to come towards you with an offer. Okay, it can be love offer also, or it can be something like they want to offer you something. They want to do something with you, like maybe um, both can work together. Somehow they want to reach you, somehow they feel that they need your help. Okay, so in that manner, so they will ask you, and they want to have a new beginning in this connection. They want to have a new beginning, definitely. But they are little stubborn, narcissistic. They are, I can see some age difference also in this pile. Maybe this person is elder to you, maybe 3 4 years. So I can see the age difference also. That is the reason this person wants to do the everything in their own way, because they are in a higher authority position. Maybe their job is like that. Maybe they are very in a high cadre, maybe like a boss, or they have start, they can be CEO of a company. They might have their own business. Okay, so they have lot of pride and ego, that everybody should listen to them, because they feel that they are king of kings. So they want the same with you also. And definitely I can say this is a long distance relationship, because the completed world is there, and also they have to complete something, or they feel that this connection is ended completely. Okay, so the it can be anyways. They want to offer you their world, or one cycle has completed in their life. Maybe they have ended a relationship with somebody, or they have given any gone through any divorce or something. They have completed that. So that is what the completed world says. But they are definitely in a fighting mode, like you both, whenever you both talk, you both had a fight or argument or ego clashes. So whatever they say, you might not have not agreed. So same thing. So they are definitely in a defensive energy. They are ready to fight. Actually, whatever you say, they are ready to fight. They are hurt in the past also. Maybe may not be from you, but from other people. So they are in a very defensive mode. That is the reason this five of wands is there. Then they are into as I told you, they are in a very highly respectable position. The hierophant also, it is kind of a marriage card. So they want to settle down now. So they don't want to roam around, or they don't want to be alone single anymore. So they want to settle down in their life. They want to have a family. So but at the same time, this person might be having lot of social respect. So many people might be respecting this person. They might be coming for advices, to take advices from this person. So definitely they have to think many social issues also. If they accept this connection, how the future will be, how people will accept, or for how their family accepts. So this person has to think of many aspects in this connection. So definitely this person want to have a very stable connection. But I can see one of you might be single mom or a single dad, that is for sure. So I can see also there is a king and queen in this connection, like king of pentacles and queen of pentacles. So you both are like a wife and husband. They already accepted you as a wife or a husband, or this relationship is like that, like they feel towards you, or maybe he or she is already your spouse and you are asking about them, maybe because of the separation. Maybe you both are not together anymore due to some problems. So maybe because of that, you are seeing this reading. What are their current feelings and energies towards you? So definitely they have a very good feelings towards you, stable feelings towards you, but they are stuck right now. They are not able to come towards you, and also they don't know how you are feeling. They are blindfolded, so they don't know how you are feeling, whether you have the same feelings for this person or not. Maybe earlier you had the feelings for this person, but they are not sure whether you have the feelings, same feelings right now. But they want to have the um, like past, however you enjoyed in the past, they want to have the same relationship again. Okay, then let us ask one card of summation. Let us ask spirits and angels one card of summation. Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. One card for my pile 2 people. Okay, the Fool. So universe is saying that you have to take the risk in this connection. Maybe you are feeling that they are not right for you, or they are feeling you are not right for them. Both of you have to surrender everything to God or universe, and you have to take a leap of faith and proceed ahead in this connection. Okay, so you have to take a risk in this connection, then only you will know. Okay, so universe is saying it is safe to take the risk. Let us see the messages from your person. Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. What are the messages from this person? What are their current feelings? We are soulmates. Definitely, you both are soulmates. That's what they feel. If you want, you can see the pile number 1 also, because they also got the similar cards. I'm so sorry I took you for granted. I didn't understand my feelings in the past. Drama is over, balance is restored in our connection. So they want to end the drama. Everywhere I go, I picture you being there with me. So definitely they are missing you. I love you so much. It scares me. I don't know what to do. So they love you so much, but it scares them for sometimes. I feel helpless. I want to be with you, but I can't. Okay, so definitely, as I told, they are stuck in something or somewhere. That is the reason they are unable to come towards you. Okay, that's all I have for you. Pile number 2. If you like this reading, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Then, once again, a very happy new year to you all. Enjoy this year. May you have abundant life in this year. That's all I have for you. Then, until the next reading, bye.